So hey, what's up guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna try a beautiful sketch, so let's start the video without wasting any time.
Let's start with making a fashion sketch and making hairs and accessories you want to add to your outfit, adding skin tone to it. Now, let's start making hairs, starting strokes with light tone of brown and ending with dark tone of it. Now, let's start coloring out your illustration. I am using Staedtler pencils. I have taken all the shades of blue from light to dark. I have given depth with the dark shade of blue. And now let's start coloring your illustration in the circular motion. Now, for making sketch smooth, I am using water or just wet brush to mix the dark tone and light tone. Please, don't use water in high quantity, use less as you can. Now, let's start making design. I am using glitter pen in color dark blue and lastly some of light blue glitter pen to enhance the design. This is the final illustration.